Hi, Lotus Combi boiler is running on hydrogen plasma technology as environmental friendly. There is no carbon footprint and we provide reduced water footprint. There is no resistance in that device. We present future technology for your house with less energy consumption than the other heating methods with thermal efficiency coefficient value above 2. It is so easy to integrate with solar energy and wind turbines because Lotus Combi boiler can run on flexible energy consumption like 50% of commissioned power. For example, 3 kilowatts power supply will be enough for this 6 kilowatt device. That makes Lotus Combi boilers really different. Lotus Combi boilers can be commissioned so easily and really easy to use. No need a chimney or an expensive project. If you have electricity and water, you can use Lotus Combi boilers with long life and very long maintenance period.